Ahora sí ya se compuso el día.
Cállate. La vida ya valió la pena. Mamacita.
Ey, la troca.
Tú tienes familia que mantener. Ándale.
No. Need the younger one. We're loading sheet metal.
Just between you and I, Lewis was way too distracted by his little senorita girlfriend back there to do any real work.
Girlfriend? Luis is married, right?
What does that matter? I've been working around Mexicans since I can remember, and have gotten to talking to most of them. And they all cheat on their wives. It's not a big deal to them or their women, which isn't a bad deal if you think about it. Tell me, what's wrong with a woman forgiving a man for simply being a man? And after all, that's what you wanted in the first place, right? As a white guy, you're just not slippery enough for anything of that caliber. Cheating is one thing, but getting away with it is something else entirely. And it's not your fault. It's women. White women. They haven't progressed far enough to allow us the freedom to regress to how we were meant to be. Man, this is a hell of a long break.
Okay, but tell me this, and please be honest, Rick. If sales do improve, are you gonna go to Andy and try and take credit somehow?
If things get connected that way, fine. But it really doesn't matter. I did what I did to help the company. I don't need the accolades. Anyway, let's get back inside.
Hi, guys.
You know, Rick, I've only gotten like 2 complaints this morning, and normally I would have gotten about a dozen by now.
You and me both. One of these days, Seth, we'll both get a raise.
Oh shit, it's Andy.
How's it going, Seth?
Good. Busy day. Lots of calls.
Keeping busy, Rick?
Yeah, always busy. How you doing?
Good enough. Just keep on those phones, guys. Because a lit phone means we're making money, isn't that right, Rick?
Yes, it is true, yeah. Very true. Very true.
That's just what I want to hear.
Hey, Rick. Was a close one, huh?
Yeah, it was. Go back to work.
Or what? You'll rat on me too?
Hi, this is Rick Drake from GoLane Systems. I called earlier and spoke to someone named Jeff.
The one and only Sam Sanity. You see, folks, it's impossible for liberals to come up with any original ideas. They just talk about why they hate Republicans. You've got lifelong politicians, college professors, millionaire actors, and rock stars, and they're all acting as if they're the little guy, simply because they pretend to represent the little guy. And they'll do or say anything to get their agenda across, but it's a trick. It's all smoke and mirrors. Democrats have no agenda other than shining a light on Republicans, because the Liberal Party is basically what I refer to as a spell check party. Are you familiar with spell check? I know most of you are, but I'll explain it anyway. It's a computer application that checks each sentence for spelling and grammar errors. So even while you're writing a sentence, the program will mark the mistake, and then you click the spell check application to correct the mistake. And not only does spell check correct the mistakes, it gives you grammar and punctuation marks. Along with all this, it advises you on how to restate what you've already written. Translate it. Spell check cannot write something original for you. That's how things are, and you should start getting used to it. You're going to feel alone, and there's really nothing you can do about it. But take my word, there are many others out there who feel the exact same way, who believe in the same things, who listen to the same things, who read the same things, and yet you'll still be made to think you can't share your opinions out loud, especially in public, for fear of being demonized or of already having been demonized. It's all set up, and it has been for the last 30 years, as you'll feel at times that you're to blame for everything wrong in society, and that you're the one who must take the fall because you, my friend, are the revolutionary of today. And when all those who oppose you hear this, they'll shake their heads and refuse to believe it. And they can't stand hearing it, and it won't make any sense to them. And that's all the proof.
Get you back for all those college jokes.
Yeah, you did. Very creatively at that. Where did you get this thing anyway?
I stole it from the drama department.
Toss this out, okay, meathead?